Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nye. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am unboxing and giving you all my first impression on Glamaholic. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Now that that's done, let go. So I just got a package in the mail from Glamaholic. I'm bringing you all another black owned luxury brand. This time it is not a purse. So let's just go ahead and get to the unboxing. So this is the package that it was sent in, and I'm gonna just go ahead and open it. The shipping was very fast. I don't remember how long it took to get to me, but I'll leave it at the bottom of the screen. But it did not take a long time at all. I think as soon as I ordered my items, it either it either shipped out either the same day or either the next day, and I had it in like a few days later. So that was a 2 thumbs up, which is bomb. So when you open your package, I got this black envelope. What's in here? What's in here? So we get a little thank you card. Super cute. And all of her social media. But there's that. And then you also get your receipt on here. And I got the monogram card holder, mirror black. And I got the signature logo standard wallet in the color black. So this is what the packaging looks like when you get it. Let me go ahead and untake this out. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Oh, that's upside down. So there's that. This is the wallet. It comes in this nice satin dust bag, which is really nice. And that's her logo in the color pink. So when you take your wallet out, it has this tissue paper on it for, you know, protection, things like that. So this here is the signature logo standard wallet in black. So did I mention this was a black owned company? If I didn't mention that already, this is a black owned company, black owned luxury company, okay? Period. So this is the wallet, and it says Glamaholic lifestyle, super cute. She sells like travel essentials like duffel bags, totes, wallets, card holders, what else? Passport covers and more things. So if you like to travel or whatnot, and if you're interested in like duffel bags and things like that, definitely go ahead and check her out. But yeah, I got me a wallet, a black wallet specifically because I have a black purse, and I just realized that I didn't have a black wallet. Like, how do I not have a black wallet? Like, black goes with everything. Like, I have a blue wallet, I have a lavender wallet, I have a red wallet, I have a brown wallet, but I don't have like just a regular solid black wallet, which is just crazy to me. But anyways, yeah, so I finally got my black wallet, and it's super cute, and it's from a black owned company. So 2 thumbs up from your girl. Okay, so when you open it, you'll see her name. Her name is Mia Ray. So she has her name right there embedded into the wallet. And then this is what the inside of the wallet looks like. So you have card holders over here. You could put some money in this part right here. Change. Let me move this little styrofoam thing. So you could put your change in this part right here, loose change, whatnot. I don't know what goes inside this little empty pocket right here, but whatever you want to put in there, go ahead and do what you want to do. And then there's more card holder space and another extra like slip for cash or receipts or whatnot. So yeah, this is very nice size, perfect. She also has another wallet that's bigger than this, but I didn't need that big wallet, so I just got this regular size wallet here, and it is super cute and I love it. So the next thing that I'm going to open up is the what is this? The monogram card holder, mirror black. So y'all, I've been looking for a card holder. This is the packaging, by the way. Go ahead, pull it out. There's her logo right there. But yeah, I've been looking for a card holder, and I was looking on Amazon and I was reading the reviews, and some of the reviews was not that good or whatever. But I wanted a card holder because as you guys know, I do have like mini purses now. Like I just started venturing out to get like a mini purse, and I needed something to hold my cards in, and sometimes I just don't want to carry around my wallet. I have like this little coin purse holder thing that was like a dupe to like Louis Vuitton, but I don't know, I just anyways. So here's a little packaging on the card holder. Go ahead and take that off. Have the little paper on it, you know, for protection and whatnot. But yeah, I just wanted a card holder, you know, something very simple. Throw it inside my purse, throw it inside my back pocket whenever I need to be like on the go. Because sometimes I don't want to carry this, you know, big wallet like this. It's perfectly fine. Like, you're probably like, girl, stop running your mouth. Let's get to the card holder. So anyways, this is what the card holder looks like, and it is so freaking cute. Look at that. It's shining, yeah. And y'all can see her logo embedded into the card holder. Just like that. And she also has a matte one in this style. Oh, child, almost lost it. She has a matte version of this black one, and she also has a silver and pink and like the little shiny mirrored version. So yeah, isn't it cute? So this card holder holds 1, 2, 3, 4, and then so I can hold 2 cards on this side, 2 cards on that side, and then this could be like an extra card holder here, or you could put like some cash in there or whatnot. But yeah, I thought this was super perfect to carry inside of my mini purses, or just take it whenever I don't want to take a purse, or just something to, you know, throw in my back pocket, throw in my mini purse, you know, things like that. But yeah, super cute. Here are my 2 items that I have. So the next thing that I want to get from this brand, this company, is the fanny pack that she has. That's what really caught my attention, because I was on TikTok scrolling and I just saw this video, and it was like the top 5 black owned luxury brand purses or products that you need, and her fanny pack was on that video, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Child, as soon as I went to the website, honey, fanny packs was sold out. So I signed up for their notifications whenever they receive more fanny packs. So yeah, so I just got these 2, and yeah, so I'll just wait, and when the fanny pack come back in stock and when I order it, I'll definitely be doing another unboxing for you guys, so you guys can see my first impression and things like that. All right, y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing my Glamaholic lifestyle wallet and card holder. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also, comment down below if you're thinking about checking out her website or even making a purchase, or if you're like, nah sis, it ain't for me. Let me know inside the comments section down below. Let me know what you think, because y'all know I love chit chatting with y'all. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.